Sino mag-aakala na may resort na merong ganito kagandang view in just 1 hour away from Metro Manila? Dito yan sa Bella Tamara Private Resort located in Binangonan, Rizal. We actually booked Bella Tamara Private Resort for our trip. And honestly, I didn't expect it to look this good. Look at that! You're literally swimming with the view of Laguna Lake. Ang presko ng hangin, ang tahimik, talagang marerelax ka. Perfectong place na to for families and big groups because they can accommodate up to 40 packs. Meron silang malawak na events place, spacious dining area, swimming pool with a view, and of course, fully equipped kitchen na hindi mo na poproblemahin ang pagpe-prepare ng food. Kaya yung iba, ginagawa tong venue for parties, team building, birthdays, and any kind of celebrations. Meron din silang fully air-conditioned bedrooms na located sa first and second floor, kaya siguradong comfortable ang mga guests. Meron din silang karaoke kung gusto nyo kumanta with your friends, maglaro ng billiards, or mag-enjoy sa board games. Hindi talaga kayo mabuboard dahil sobrang daming pwedeng gawin. Kaya kung nagpaplano kayo ng next getaway, next gathering, or celebrations, send them a message on their Facebook page right now.